This project is all about the 7 elements of art: color, line, shape, value, 3D form, texture, and space. All you're going to need for this project is a blank piece of paper and a pencil. If you have other pens, colored pencils, crayons, markers, you can use those as well. To begin, have your paper in the portrait orientation, tall like a person, and fold your paper corner to corner across so that it's long and skinny. Connect those corners and then hold it steady as you crease. Open it back up and fold it the opposite direction down. Match those corners and crease. The last fold is down again. There's a couple ways you can trace your lines. You can use a ruler and a Sharpie. You could use some colored pencils and get some fun lines in there. Your lines can be straight. You can use different colors. It's up to you. We have 8 sections, but there's only 7 elements of art. So my first section is going to be a title. You can make your title using big block letters in one color. You could choose a color theme and make them bubble letters, cute letters with cute colors, any type of font you want. Now that I have my title, I'm going to do the first square, and our first element of art today is color. Add the title color and then think of a picture you could draw here to show examples of all different kinds of color. Now that I'm done with color, I'll do the next one, which will be line. Lines can be straight, horizontal, vertical, zigzag, curvy, swirly, curved. Dotted lines are lines. Fill your whole box with lines. The next element of art is shape. A shape is a line that encloses in on itself. It creates an area of space. This space can be measured by height and width. It is 2-dimensional. Value is our next element of art, and this is where a graphite drawing pencil set will come in really handy if you have one of these. B pencils in a graphite drawing kit are going to be your darkest ones, and the higher the number next to the B, the darker it's going to be. H pencils have harder leads, so that value is going to be lighter. The higher the number next to the H, the harder the lead, and the lighter the value. Blending stumps are made out of paper that's rolled together really tight, and if you have one of these, they work great with your graphite pencils to blend in all your values together. This is a value scale showing the values in between dark gray and light gray. You can create a value scale with any color, showing medium, light, and dark values of that color. The next element of art I'm going to show is 3D form. 3-dimensional form shows an object that can be measured in 3 dimensions: height, width, and depth. 3D forms take up space where shapes are just 2-dimensional and flat. Value helps make something look 3-dimensional and have more form. Cubes, spheres, cylinders, cones, and pyramids are all objects that have 3D form. Texture. Texture is the way something feels. For an example of texture, you can draw anything that is hairy, smooth, silky, rough, sharp, pointy. The 7th element of art is space. Space shows depth and distance in your picture. In this example, I showed space because I have things up close and really far away, which show you that there's a lot of space in between the foreground, what's in front, and the background, all the way in the back. To make your project a little bit more unique, you can use different examples when you're creating your elements and different colors. This one has more of a blue color scheme, and this one I used mostly black and white. For this one, I used a really cute font and used pretty girly colors.